Welcome to Uncle Jack's channel. Please keep watching. Meet the Cuckoo chick, a master manipulator that hatches with one mission: eliminate its foster siblings and enslave its adoptive parents. This is survival of the sneakiest. Science of deception. Instinct overload. Born blind, it pushes eggs out of the nest within hours. Its red, gaping mouth hypnotizes parents to feed it non-stop. Genetic betrayal. Cuckoos inherit parasitic skills from DNA. No parenting needed. Their victims, like warblers, still haven't evolved defenses after millennia. Brutal reality. 40% of foster parents die from exhaustion or attacks. Yet they keep feeding the chick that's 5x their size. See you again at Uncle Jack's channel.